My name's Larry. I live in Wolcott, Connecticut. I just recently had LeafFilter installed on my home, and I'm very satisfied with it. My neighbor down the street actually had it done on his house. So I made a phone call, talked to my sales guy on the phone. He came up to visit me. His name was John, came up the next day. We worked out a deal, and I had it installed on my house within a week. It was a smooth process. The installer came up. He was very courteous, did a very neat job. I'm very happy with the product. I used to do the gutters myself. I'm 62 years old, and I was recently in a motor vehicle accident, so I'm unable to get my 28-foot ladder out and clean them myself anymore. So it was a good move on our part to get this product installed on my house because I don't have to clean my gutters anymore. Very happy with it. I would recommend it to anybody. It was a one-day process. The price was pretty reasonable. The salespeople were very accommodating, followed up with a phone call. Couldn't ask for anything else.